Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and back to school on its is approaching, and you may need a report cover to. Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the Solar R. Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is a 10-pack report cover or a standard size piece of paper, A4 size. And these are going to be great if you wanted to carry your resume inside, let's say an interview. It's always good to have your resumes on hand. Let's say this black piece of paper represents your resume. You can see here now it's fully protected and just looks nice. Having it in here, and it's nice and secure and won't get damaged. Let's say you spill something on this, you wouldn't have to worry about your resume or any important paper. You can throw in any important paper. Sometimes we go to an appointment and we need to carry some documentation with us. This is going to be great to have these on hand. You're going to get 10 of them with different color spines right here. This is pink. You do have a little cutout right here so you can open it easily, so you're not trying to figure out how to open it. And your paper stays in there because you can tuck it in, and you can see here this isn't coming out. I can really shake it and my paper would stay still inside there. So really good job as far as keeping everything in here. They're going to be reusable. They're great for business use, for your resume. And again, it'll hold your standardized sheet of paper, which is A4, and you still have extra space here, so all the edges are protected. So really cool. Overall, highly recommend these report covers. You get 10 of them with different colors, pink, blues, yellows, greens, and check them out. Shout out to the company for gifting me these so I could do a review.